Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Adobe Photoshop. If you have been struggling or looking forward to correct or add your scratch disk, please follow this step and you'll be in the point. But don't always forget to like, subscribe. Let's kick to start. What need only to do is open our Photoshop like the way mine is open. You can be having various versions. You can be having, like me, I'm using 2022, others have 2021, others have CS5, CS6 and CS, but it doesn't matter. What we need only to do is see what will help. Okay, I have a shortcut here. It's very easy, simple and reliable. What we need only to do is control alternate key and you'll see that. Okay, what we need to do is only one thing. Come to the scratch disk, see which disk have you been using. It shows by this tick, which means the disk is active and the drives are here. Then the spaces, how large is the disk you're using. Like mine, I'm using recently 118.27 GB, which is a startup. So we can add all of them and we say okay, and we can proceed with our work using Adobe Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. Always remember to like, subscribe and follow me so that you don't miss out on the tutorials.